Hi everyone, so today I am teaming up with iHERB to show you guys how I get my best beauty rest, and I guess you could call it how to master the art of beauty sleep, because when I go to bed I want to wake up looking fresh and glowing and free from breakouts. So I definitely have an extensive before bed routine or nighttime routine, and a lot of the products I like to use are natural and pretty affordable, but you can find everything at iHERB. I love the website. I've used it before and I'm so excited to show you my amazing haul and how I use all of these products for my routine. So let's get into what I bought. First thing I have are teas. So I love drinking tea, and something like this organic nighty night tea is awesome to just warm you up and help relax you before bed. If I'm doing some work at night, I'll have this 3 mint peppermint tea. This one is maybe a little bit more stimulating than the nighty night, but it's a really great evening tea. There's no caffeine, but Pukka is one of my favorite brands ever. I first bought this tea in Iceland and it was such a great find. I can't wait to use it again. Okay, so then moving on, let's jump into skincare. So when I'm in the shower, I need to make sure I am very clean because I find my skin, since I have combo skin, I get oily really easily, and I just need to make sure I'm exfoliated frequently so that I don't feel like gunky and sticky throughout the day. Sounds gross, but especially after a workout, you want to feel very clean. So I bought this African black soap. It's a body wash to detoxify and balance. What sold me on this is the fact that it has aloe vera, oats, and vitamin E. So it's supposed to be moisturizing, and I'm going to use this and report back. So to go along with the African black soap, also that's supposed to be great for breakouts. So I'll report back because my back is having a moment. I got the beloved EcoTools exfoliating gloves. These are made with recycled materials and they're just so easy. Squirt some body wash onto the gloves and then it lathers up beautifully to exfoliate and clean quickly. My EcoTools mask remover sponges. Again, this is not the first time I've had these guys. I use them after I apply a charcoal mask. I'll wet these with warm water and just exfoliate the mask off. Not only do they work so well at removing your mask cleanly and gently, they also help to kind of exfoliate any dead skin cells off your skin, so you're very, very fresh. So I love those. They are reusable, by the way. Just keep them nice and clean between uses, and they're good for a little while. So another favorite routine of mine is dry brushing. So after I'm dried off, I'll rub my dry brush kind of in circular motions, always towards your heart. So from ankles to chest, and then like wrists inward. You can do your back with this brush. It literally like sloughs off all the dead skin cells. So I'll do this maybe 2 times a week, and my skin feels so soft afterwards. And then you must apply body lotion immediately after. It also just warms up the surface of your skin, which is so good for the winter. Even on your heels, this works very, very well. I have another brush, and this one is a nail brush. So this is the finest quality Bass Body Care brush. It's a natural bristle brush to clean on your nails and under your nails. I love using these after I push my cuticles back because it just kind of gently removes all the dead skin. So this is great, especially for toes too. If you need to keep your toes nice and clean, this I'm sure works great. Backtracking a bit here, but makeup remover wipes. I can't go to sleep with my makeup on because then I will wake up with breakouts everywhere. So these are great. They're hydrating makeup removers from Nu-Pore. I've never tried this brand, but I'll let you know how I like them. They're also supposed to be quite moisturizing, so stay tuned for that. I only ever use makeup remover wipes when I'm in a pinch though. I don't use these every day just because they're really wasteful and not very cheap. Day to day I'll use a makeup removing oil, and my favorites are from L'Occitane. Another amazing oil hack is this castor oil. I'll use castor oil on my eyebrows, on my eyelashes, and pretty much anywhere I need hair growth. And so this is such a staple. I'll just use a little clean spoolie brush and brush it through my lashes and brows, and it is so, so nice. Next up, this is a bit random, but I thought these were so nice. They're organic cotton wool buds. So I'll again use these if I have any makeup left under my eyes, I'll just wet these little buds with some makeup remover and then clean under my eyes, or of course to clean kind of in your ears, around your ears. These are really nice, and I like that they're organic. This little box is just really cute and convenient. I've been using Thayers Aloe Vera Witch Hazel forever. One of my first blog posts included this, and they now have new packaging here. This is my beloved cucumber, and the new packaging has a nice little squirt top, so I'll use this as a toner, balancing toner on my face, on a cotton pad, or I'll decant it into a spray bottle and just mist on my face, neck, and back. It's so refreshing and really balancing. Next up is a natural deodorant. This is from Real Purity, and it's roll-on deodorant, and I love natural deodorant, especially in the winter when I'm not as active as the summer. And I can't wait to try this and report back because the reviews were so good. So I'll definitely keep you guys updated on how this goes, but I like roll-ons because versus a regular stick, these usually keep my skin a bit more moisturized and not as itchy in the winter. I should note that I use deodorant before bed so that it actually starts to sink in and work before I wake up, so that throughout the day, if I do sweat, I already have protection kind of in my pores, if that makes sense. I find that if I put my deodorant on right in the morning and then get outside and start to move, it doesn't have enough time to really sink in and dry down. So this is my best tip. Apply your deodorant before going to bed, especially if you're not a sweaty sleeper. It's such a great tip. Okay, so another fantastic beauty tip. If you're doing 2-day or 3-day plus hair, if you don't wash your hair every single day, dry shampoo. And this powder one is really great, eco-friendly. This one is from Giovanni. So this comes in like a little squeeze top. So it is going to be white in your hair, but if you put this through at night before bed, you have so much time for it to actually sink in and the white cast will all dissolve and disappear before morning. Then you'll wake up with oil-free hair. So put your dry shampoo in at night, then you'll wake up with really fresh and volumized hair. I have 2 supplements that I rely on heavily for beauty. First one is omega-3s. I'll take up to 3 of these tablets every day. I can't remember how much are in here, but yeah, 3,000 milligrams is the max amount I'll take because I have dry eyes. Anything from 1 to 3 supplements a day is awesome to keep your skin moisturized, to keep your hair healthy. Fish oils are great for your brain function. There are a multitude of other great benefits that I'll list in my blog post below, but I just love taking these, and especially for dry eyes in the winter, these are a lifesaver. And also I have zinc. So this zinc is an immune support version, and I use zinc to help boost my immune system and also to reduce breakouts. So that is everything I got in my recent iHERB order. I'm now going to show you how I actually use them in my nighttime routine. So keep on watching. I am starting my kettle up, and I'm going to make a wonderful bag of my Nighty Night tea. This blend, Nighty Night, has passion flower, lemon, chamomile, spearmint. It honestly smells like heaven. It's like fruity, but obviously floral and minty. Yum! So while my tea is steeping, I'm going to remove my makeup, and I have my little hydrating makeup remover wipes. It's so cute. It says, "You are beautiful inside." My trick is, oh, they smell like coconut. Oh, so good. I'm gonna hold it onto my face for a few seconds and use the heat of my hands to like melt off the makeup. Then I kind of move up and down my eyelashes to remove everything. Try to move upwards as much as you can so that you're not dragging your skin down. Try to work against gravity. So I am very impressed. These actually worked really well, and almost everything came off, and now I just need to use my regular cleanser. Time to try my tea. So good. So comforting. Shower time. Before doing my nails, I like to just brush off the dry skin and any dirt. I just actually push back my cuticles. So now I'm just giving them a nice scrub right under the nails. I kind of just like shove the bristles right under my nails. It feels so nice and clean. These ones are shorter, so they really get under the nails even better. I just popped out of the bath to show you how cool this soap looks. So it's my African black soap, and look. It almost has like the black soap particles suspended in the soap. So cool, but it foams up really well and leaves my skin feeling really clean. Continuing my skincare routine, I have my 2 mask remover sponges from EcoTools, and I'm going to remove my mask. I use the Caudalie Purifying Mask, which is so nice because it's moisturizing, yet still really purifying for the pores. Oh, these feel so good. Remember, upwards motions. Next comes toner. So this is my Thayers Witch Hazel Toner in Cucumber. I have these reusable cotton pads. I bought them on Etsy. So just saturate one of the cotton pads and go to town. I'm using the smooth side, but there is also the textured side if you need a bit more exfoliation. That side's actually really good for removing makeup. Serum and moisturizer are done, and next comes deodorant. Also, I realized I look naked, but I'm not. So I'm using my Real Purity roll-on, and I put this on before bed so that it has time to sink in and work. One of my favorite beauty hacks is castor oil. So I'm going to squeeze a little bit of it out onto a spoolie brush. I'm just going to run it through my brows. And a little goes a long way. And then also on my lashes. If you need to clean up around your eyes, if you have extra mascara, grab one of these little cotton buds. This one's nice because it doesn't have too much fuzz, so it works great for under the eyes. Dry brushing. I'll just brush in nice, gentle motions up my arms, legs, and back mostly, and it heats up your skin and just puts the best kind of softness right back onto your skin and just removes any dryness, especially on the elbows, you guys. This is a lifesaver. The skin literally like flakes off. Then just apply your favorite moisturizer after. So where my dry shampoo is concerned, I will just squeeze some of the powder into various sections of my part. I found this bottle a little tough to use. I had to squeeze it with both my hands to get the powder out, but once you get the hang of it, it's really easy. And of course, you're heading straight to sleep, so it's no big deal if it's kind of messy. Now you're just going to work the powder throughout your hair. And for my final step, I'm taking 2 of my omega-3 soft gels and 1 of my zinc supplements. I usually do this right after dinner, so I'm not taking them on an empty stomach. These are amazing for helping me avoid breakouts and for keeping my hair, skin, and nails nice and healthy. So check out the link below, which will have in-depth reviews on my blog of all of these amazing products. Let me know if you have any comments or questions, and I look forward to seeing you all very soon. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.